Hello guys! Welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel, and in today's video we are going to do Cottagecore! I don't know why I'm talking, but anyways, this video is inspired by one of my favorite TikTok users, which is Onigirinana. You can check out her videos. So, if you guys would like to see the full transformation, just keep on watching! So I already did my base. That way we can start doing the cottagecore look. So before that, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung video inspired by today's makeup.
Start off with a red liquid lipstick all over the eyes. So just splotch it on the outer corner of the eye and buff out that pigment. It's set with red eyeshadow and make her messy. Next, we're gonna cut that crease. Rule of thumb, put it where you think your crease is, look up, and then that's how the line's gonna be. So that middle is your peak point. This just helps clean it up a little bit. Set it with some shimmer. Time for white liner. We're just gonna trace that cut crease. Set the white liner with some green. Ooh, this is not black liner. Big ass wing. Fill her in. White liner. Go ahead and add some spider legs. Add some spots.
For today's look, ang gagamitin kong palette is itong Beauty Glaze Color Fusion kasi nandito na lahat ng colors except for sa mga whites, pero yan. So, ang una niya ginawa is naglagay siya ng red sa outer corners ng mata niya and madaming linagay niya. So, I'll just go ahead and dip into this color right here. And then, ikakalat lang natin siya sa buong mata natin. Even sa ilalim. I'll also do that on the other eye as well. And in the meantime, if you guys do not know what cottagecore means, I'll insert dito sa gilid ko yung meaning niya. Madami to sa TikTok guys. Yung mga ganyan, gumagawa sila ng look. Meron yung body, cottagecore, e-girl, anime. And yung fina-follow ko si Onigirinana. Yan. Mahilig siya sa mga ganyan. So, after nyan guys, next na ginawa niya is concealer. So, we are going to use this one by Folklore. This is in the shade number 4 or medium honey. Alright guys, sorry umuulan if the audio is not that great, but anyway, so I already did my cut crease, and next naman is gagamitin natin yung Reversal Planet kasi yung shimmer dito na white, yan naman yung gagamitin natin. And dinagdagan ko din yung red using the Beauty Glaze palette. Ginamit ko to, yung nasa baba niya. Yung baba ng mga shimmers. So yun, just to intensify the color. So next, yung shade of Pearl sa Reversal Planet, I'll just go ahead and use my finger and I'll just pat the product all over doon sa area na nilagyan ko ng concealer. Guys, next is gumamit siya ng white eyeliner. I have here ito. This is from Prudaier. Hindi ko alam paano bigkasin. So, it is a white eyeliner. Ayan siya. There we go. And then, linagyan niya or trace niya yung mata niya. And then, saka siya naglagay ng green. Hindi ko alam kung lalagyan ko pa ba nito or wag na. Okay, anyway, so lagay na lang natin. So, trace lang. And I'll dip into this color right here, dito sa Beauty Glaze palette. And lalagyan lang natin yung white na yan. Alright guys, so next naman is liquid eyeliner sa gilid. Hopefully, makagawa tayo ng medyo malaki kasi malaki yung mga eyeliner na ginagawa ni Onigiri Nana. But anyways, let's try. Hopefully, magawa ko siya. Hindi pantay yung mata ko, guys. So, yes, magkakaroon talaga ng disconnect. Oh my God! Yung itsura ng yung... Okay. Next naman yung sa ilalim ng mata niya, linagyan niya ng white eyeliner. Wala ko nung pencil na ginamit niya. So, I'll just go ahead and use this one again. And hopefully, hindi naman siya mukhang okay. Alright, and then after that, tuloy lang natin ulit tong eyeliner. Gumawa siya ng parang spider lashes naman dito sa baba. So, we'll go ahead and do that as well. Alright guys, so this is it for the eyes. I'll go ahead and put mascara and falsies off cam. And then we'll go ahead and do the rest of the makeup with blush on, lipstick, and chupa. After that guys, next naman na gagawin ko is I'll go back to the Color Fusion palette. And then I'll be dipping into this color again, pero slightly lang. Then, tap off the excess. And then, maglalagay lang tayo dito banda sa ilong. And, medyo ikalat-kalat natin. So, next is, I'll be using this blush on palette. This is by Imagic as well. And, I'll be dipping into this shade right here. Itong Sweet. I think this is my favorite blush on dito sa palette na to. So, we'll just go ahead and blush. Okay lang, kahit nag-i-intersect na yung dalawa. Oh, and then yung excess niya, guys, I'll just place some dito sa may ilong ko on my forehead. Yan. And then, sa baba ko din. Yan. Para magmukha tayong pulang-pula. After that is, naglagay siya ng mga dots using yung white eyeliner. Linisin ko lang to ng konti kasi andun yung red. Ayan. So, naglagay lang siya ng dots all over her face as well as yung doon sa mga part dito sa kanyang mata. For lips, nakita ko parang gumawa lang siya ng ingredients. So, go ahead and do that as well. So, what I have here, okay, nawawala yung gagamitin guys. So, before we move on to our next step, before yung lipstick pala, Naglagay din pala siya ng faux freckles. So, I'll be using this face paint by Imagic as well. And gagamitin natin tong color brown. And using a thin brush, lalagay lang ako all over my face. Nag-flash on na ako kung ano-ano, pero hindi pa ako This is so chaotic. Hindi pa ako highlighter. So, for highlighter, I'm using this one from Blight Cosmetics, and I'll use this shade right here. Itong parang duochrome na white. And then, I'll just use this thin brush. Yeah. Ay, Diyos ko. Alright, sorry. And then sa ilong din. And sa gitna niya. Alright. So there we go. We're done with the highlight and all that. So next naman, or lastly, is the lips. I'll be using this Velvet Lipstick by Folklore. This is in the shade number 302. Medyo linisan ko lang ng konti kasi sobra yung medyo lagpas siya. And then lastly, I'll be using this lipstick by Ever Belena in the shade Vinyl. It's called Vinyl Lip Gloss. So this is the final makeup look or final transformation. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit on the bell notification that may ma-alarma kayo sa aking next video. And if you have any suggestions or any makeup looks that you want me to do, just comment them down below and I'll see if I can do them. And like and share this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!